Okay, now we'll install IsaacSim inside this newly created environment, right? So um, again, I'm using the pip Python installation manager here, and I'm using this command. And again, it's important that you specify the right version here at this time. This is the most current version, that one that works with Python 3.11 that we just included in the environment, right? So as I said, this is the version that works with Python 3.11 and all the other specs that we included on this environment. So let's give it a few minutes for it to finalize the installation. And then after, we'll also install PyTorch, and then we'll test the installation. It's doing all this work, installing all the packages. Let's give it a few more minutes. It's taking a little longer because it saw that I already had some packages installed from the previous installation, so it's uninstalling and installing them again. So after it finishes installing, we'll just make sure that it installed the machine learning libraries that are important for machine learning work and reinforcement learning. Um, it probably has already installed it, but I'm just gonna go and make sure that it has it. So I'll give it a specific command to install the PyTorch 2.7.0, and then Torch Vision 0.22.0, which are the versions that work with this IsaacSim version 5.1, right? So a good part of the issues that I was having with the IsaacSim installation was conflicts between versions of the different tools and libraries. So it took me a great amount of time to figure out what is the right version of tools that work with each other. That's why I'm doing this PyTorch installation manually here to make sure that it has the right version. Okay, so we'll do a quick test just to see that the torch version is there. I'm using this command here. Okay, so I just pass this command to see if torch is available. True, it means that version 2.7.0 is available, right? So up to this point, we should have everything we need. IsaacSim installed, PyTorch installed with the right version, Python installed with the right version, and it should be accessing our GPU, and it should have the right driver, right? So one of the ways to test if the installation went well and if the driver version is correct and if the GPU is being accessed is by using this compatibility check. I'm just gonna accept. And then what you should see here is system checking result passed. Here it accessed my GPU. It has the informations for my GPU here, so it means that IsaacSim has access to it. And then it popped up this verification window. So this is my driver version, my GPU, my CPU processor. RAM, it's just saying that yellow because I think the optimal that they recommend is 64 GB. I think I have like 32 or 34. It will still work, and the operating system, right? So you see here that the IsaacSim compatibility check was pretty much completed with most of the prerequisites here, right? So now we'll do the final test to see if we can open IsaacSim. We'll just type IsaacSim inside our Anaconda environment. And here we have it. The window has been opened and it's loading the IsaacSim UI, right? So it takes a few seconds to open. And here you just have a empty environment. And on the next videos, we'll learn how to add a few things here and how to do a Hello World project with the first steps on IsaacSim.